guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieve my half up half down hairstyle. A half up half down is my go-to hairstyle. This time I will be adding a twist. I'm gonna add a bang, so we mixing it up a little bit. I never really added a bang to it, so yeah, I'm excited. So if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, make sure you keep watching. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with detangling my hair, of course, making sure there aren't any knots or tangles in it. I'm going to add this bio silk to my hair. For this hairstyle, you don't need lots of products, especially if your hair is straight. And for me, whenever my hair is straight, I try to preserve it as long as possible. So I try not to add any product to my hair when it's straight. And then I'm going to begin to part out my hair the way that I want it my bang to fall. I'm going for a side bang. You could definitely do a split bang with this, or you can just do like a straight bang. I don't know how to explain it, but I want me a side bang. I think it frames my face better and it's just cuter. So yeah, I'm parting this out. For this part, I could have did it a little bit less thick. I parted out a lot of hair for the bang, but that's okay. It still turned out really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the bang piece out the way and get started on the actual half up half down. So now that we got the bang piece out the way, I'm gonna part out my edges so that way I can go ahead and straighten them. I want for this hairstyle my edges to be really straight, so making sure to just put a little heat on them to press it out. And then I'm gonna part out my hair for my half up half down the way that I want it to fall. So I start my part at the very top of my ear where my ear begins, and I just go all the way across my whole head, just parting it out evenly. So that way I have enough hair in the ponytail and then enough hair for the back. This is what I came up with. I fixed the parting, so it looks a little crazy, but I fixed it. And then I'm just going to brush my hair up into a high ponytail. This is the up part. Not adding any extra product, just putting it into that ponytail. And then I'm going to start working on the back, getting the back curled. So basically my method of curling is pretty simple. It's nothing to it. I do like a flip up kind of method. You just have to watch because I don't know how to explain it, but basically I'll flat iron my hair. When I get almost to the end, I flip my flat iron up just to make that little flip up curl effect, and I do that throughout my whole head. FYI, I did use heat protectant off camera before I did add heat to my hair. So yeah, I just do this in one pass just because I don't want to add a bunch of heat onto my hair because it's already straight. So obviously I added heat prior. Yeah, I'm gonna do this to my whole head and also to the ponytail piece, and then I'm gonna come back and just kind of explain how I do the bang. It's pretty simple and similar to what I'm doing now, but yeah, I'll let you guys watch this part. Okay, so for the bang, I'm actually going to curl this into sections because, like I mentioned earlier, I did carve out a lot of hair for my bang. So I'm doing pretty much the same thing. I'm just basically doing the flip up method. And y'all also know that I need to kind of like trim my ends a little bit. So please don't come for me too much in the comments. I know I'm going to trim them. But basically, I'm just working it into sections, flipping it up, section by section. And then once I get each section curled, I'm basically going to kind of like twirl the hair around each other to make one big curl, if that makes sense. It probably doesn't, but I'm doing it right here, as you can see. And then I'm just fixing it, making sure everything is in place. And that's pretty much it. That's how I achieve this look. Real simple. It's still very cute and effortless and put together. So if you need like a quick hairstyle, definitely give this one a try. I love me a good half up, half down. It's been my go-to for a couple months. And I'm going to keep doing this, just adding new things to it so I don't get bored. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the way out. And follow me on all my social media sites. Everything is going to be down in the description bar. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.